You've likely heard of or even used one of our famous Leather Honey products, like our classic leather cleaner and conditioner, which are the best-selling leather care products on Amazon today. That's exactly why you'll love the convenience of our leather cleaner wipes. These revitalizing and rejuvenating wipes are specifically designed to refresh and protect genuine leather, vegan leather, and faux leather, in addition to vinyl, rubber, and plastic items. Our innovative, industry-leading cleaning wipes work to clean and safeguard your car seats, furniture pieces, purses, and saddles, as well as your favorite motorcycle gear. That's because our leather cleaner wipes come in a box of 10 soft, surface-ready wipes coated with Leather Honey's flagship non-toxic formula, which features a specialized blend of safe cleaning solutions that work to clean dirt, oil, and grime from your items. So now that we've shared why you need Leather Honey's leather cleaner wipes, let's show you how to apply them to your car's interior. Step 1. Because leather, faux leather, and vinyl can vary widely, it's important to spot test the wipe in a small, discreet area and check for possible reactions. Step 2. Gently wipe your surface completely. Step 3. Allow the surface to dry completely. And on genuine leather, follow up with Leather Honey conditioner. Step 4. Sit back and enjoy the sheen of your freshly cleaned surface. Voila! Consider your items now cleaned and protected, all thanks to Leather Honey's leather cleaning wipes. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968. For the latest up-to-date information and new specials on all Leather Honey cleaning products, visit us at leatherhoney.com today.